Hello everyone. Do you know about women makes a discovery in her grandmother's attack and embarked on an unusual mission? Amy Cavillaras of Columbus, Ohio, didn't let working two jobs get in the way of her happiness. In fact, work was one of the things that brought her joy. She lived interacting with new people and bringing a smile to their faces. Magic, romance, and adventure inspired everything Amy did, and this included the jobs she chose. Dressing up like princesses from Disney movies and attending children's parties, and also working as a flight attendant for JetBlue Airlines. When Amy wasn't working, she relished the time she got to spend with her family, particularly her grandmother. Granny Ruth had been a prevalent force in Amy's life since she was born, and Ruth always spoke highly about her lovely granddaughter, while other seniors slowed down. Broad and had an unmatched zeal for life. That's why it was so hard for Amy when she saw her grandmother began to decline. She just needed more help than she once did. Although it was a tough decision to make, eventually Ruth, with the help of her family, decided to move into assisted living facility. Amy was helping her pack for the move when she found something astounding in the attic. Tucked away in the corner of the attic was a decorative box. It was heavy and covered in dust, and when she opened it up, she realized it was Ruth's wedding dress from 1953. Floyd doesn't begin to describe Amy's reaction to this amazing find. She had no idea Ruth kept it after all these decades, and it was still in great condition. This was so much more than just finding a dress. To Ruth, it represented the 43 years she spent married to her husband, Amy's grandfather, Jack, for over 4 decades. The two were best friends, and when he passed away, she slipped into a depression. Amy felt a lump form in her throat when she found her grandmother's dress. Having only recently tied the knot herself, she now felt like she understood how special it was to Ruth. So, she made her grandmother a touching proposition. Nervously, Amy approached her grandmother with a question. She wanted Ruth to put on the wedding dress to see if it still fit. Amy knew that the memories of that dress could erase the sadness of the difficult move out of her home. Ecstatic to see the ground again, Ruth agreed, and Amy's mother snapped a beautiful picture of Ruth holding a picture of herself on the day of her wedding wearing the dress. Amy then posted the photo to Facebook and immediately drew a lot of attention, but not for the obvious reason. Suddenly, Amy realized why everyone online seemed to take notice. The reflection of Amy's mother was visible in the glass frame. It was a total coincidence, but that didn't make it less special. It's rare there that something strikes a chord with so many people, but the online community was so enamored at the photo that the Facebook page Love What Matters featured it, and it was liked by nearly 26,000 people. Shocked, Amy couldn't believe how people to see of her grandmother became, but she totally understood why. That unique reflection in the glass frame deserved every bit of the heartwarming attention it received. At the age of 91, Ruth was still going strong. And when Ruth locked away her dress, she probably never thought she'd wear it again. But she learned a valuable lesson, meaning and memories are created. It's an active process. So this is the story today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with all your friends. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook accounts. See you next episode. Goodbye.